Ever felt trapped after sending a DocuSign envelope, realizing there's a glaring mistake? Let's explore how to navigate the tricky world of post-signing DocuSign edits. First, head to your DocuSign account and click on the Manage tab. This is your mission control for all things DocuSign. Locate the completed envelope you need to adjust. Remember, direct edits to the original document are usually not possible once everyone has signed. Now, look for the correct button. If you see it, you're in luck. Clicking this allows you to make limited changes, like correcting recipient information or adding new fields, but only if the recipient hasn't completed their actions. If the correct button isn't there, or if the changes you need are more substantial, you'll likely have to void the envelope. Be warned, this invalidates the existing signatures, so use it cautiously and only when absolutely necessary. Voiding the envelope means you'll need to start and you want to upload the corrected document, read your recipients, and place the signature fields again. Double-check everything this time. Alternatively, for minor clarifications after signing, consider using DocuSign Annotations. You can add notes or comments directly to the completed document without altering the original signatures. Just remember, these are for informational purposes only. So, to recap, the correct button for minor edits before completion, void for major overhauls requiring a new envelope, and annotations for post-signing clarifications. Choose wisely, and happy DocuSigning.